This closed-circuit surveillance footage shows the moment that Azerbaijani journalist Rasim Aliýewe was attacked in broad daylight on August the 8th. A group of men appear to talk to him on the pavement before one of them delivers a kick that knocks him to the ground. Others join in the attack before Aliýewe flees. There are plenty of bystanders. Aliýewe entered hospital that evening with 4 broken ribs and a ruptured spleen. He said he was attacked by fans of an Azerbaijani footballer he'd criticised on social media. The footballer, Chavit Huseynov, here in the blue shirt, was not present during the attack, but is charged with not reporting it to the police. He could face 5 years in prison. The day after the attack, Aliýewe succumbed to his injuries, aged just 32, and was buried. He'd been attacked previously while working as a journalist. Azerbaijani journalists said his death pointed to a culture of impunity over attacks on independent reporters. Huseynov and the men who attacked Aliýewe will face separate trials next month.